Hey guys, this is day 5 of our my coding challenges. So yeah, if you are coming till now or continue my journey of learning, then you have a big hats off to my respect. Okay, because we are just not only you, we both can learn coding. Okay, so just follow along me. So let's focus more. Okay, so yeah, so we have completed this, so we are just progressing on this. So we have completed 27%. So we have completed till 25 yesterday, right? So now we can move on to 26. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's good, pretty well. So now I always used to do this, so making this as a separate field. Okay, so yeah, so we can see the clear output of our code. Okay, so yeah, let's go on. So far you have been using type and id to style elements, right? What happened? Okay, I think the preview has been not just set right. Wait a second, there's a simple logical. Okay, now it's been centered. Okay, so yeah, see, there's nothing goes right. Okay, so it's more common to use different selector style elements. So yeah, we used it 2 times, right? That is using id, so hash menu, and we used element name itself. Okay, it's writing this element name like h2, h1, body tag, paragraph, and many more. So we can also write in the form of class. Okay, so mostly in many real website, most people use class. Okay, so it's used to just focus on the stuff. Okay, so yeah, so now let's have a class name. So change the existing menu into a class actor by replacing into dot menu. So yeah, so what is the difference between class and menu is simply different, only one different. Okay, so when I put the id, okay, when I put id I use hash as a here. Okay, but when I put class I use dot. Okay, so dot is used for class. Okay, so what is the difference? Main difference between id and class is only one. When I use id, I can use only one time, or otherwise I can only target only one element, like here in this. Okay, when I put id for this h1, I can target only one h1 tag. Okay, that is this tag. But when I put class, I can target this h1. When I put same class name here, I can target this. I can target all by class. Okay, so using class I can target many elements, but using id I can target only few elements. Sorry, only one element in the program. Please note it. Okay, so yeah, to apply the class styling to the div element, remove the id attribute and add a class attribute to the div element by opening tag. Make sure to set the menu. So apply the class styling. Okay, so we want what we should do is just remove the id and class. I think that's right. Yeah, that's good. So now the same styling has been reappeared, right? Yeah. Move on to next. Okay, so yeah, you can see this is the comment we made the yesterday video. So since the KF main product for sale is coffee, okay, it's coffee, you should use an image of coffee beans on the background of the page. Yeah, that could be very attractive one. Delete the command and its content inside the body type selector and add a background image. Okay, well, I will do it right now. Just delete this. So they are telling us to give a background image, right? That could be very good or very attractive one, right? So background image as the in this image. Wait, I just select it. So what is the syntax for this background images? Just we should write URL and a bracket, open and closing bracket. This is the stuff. So yeah, so but here they are given this link, so just paste that link. Okay, so you can see URL and this link. Okay, so it's directly uploads or loads our image. You can see the coffee image, coffee bean image. Okay, move on. Okay, so now it's looking good, right? Time to start adding some menu items. add an empty article under the coffee heading. It contains a flavor, price and each. Okay, so inside this section, okay, you can see inside a main we have inside, so first of all inside the body we have div, and inside div we have main, inside main we have section, and inside this section we are going to write article. So in HTML we have many nesting elements, like in element inside element, element inside element, inside, so on. So now we can add an article element at the coffee intake. Okay, so yeah, let's add article, control enter, let's check. Yeah, that's right, just move on next. Okay, article elements commonly contains multiple elements that have related information. So article means many information will be there, but all are just have interconnected. Okay, so we should note it that's interconnected. So okay, so yeah, in this case we contain a coffee flavor and a price of for the flavor. So next is two paragraph. So yeah, first paragraph, the first one text is French vanilla. Vanilla tastes better. And another paragraph has 3.00. Yeah, you can see the name of the coffee and the price of the coffee has been displayed right now. So let's check the code. Yeah, it's done. Let's move on next. Step 34, right? So starting below the existing coffee bar pair, add a following coffee price using the article element, the two nested p inside. So you should use the coffee using article element with the two nested p inside element as before. First p element text should be contained, and okay, I can understand it now. So I think we should write inside an article or separate article, I don't know for that. Let's read again. Starting below the existing coffee price bar, add the following coffee price using article elements with two nested. Okay, I can understand it clearly. So what they are saying is just add another article. You can see now I have added, wait a second, article, and I have a paragraph, so slash p, and another paragraph slash p. Then let's close the article. Wait a second. Article. Yeah. Okay, this is the first is completed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. So I have completed 2. Control C. 3, 4, 5. I just copy pasted all the stuff. Okay, you can see. So not, then we just copy this tag. Control C, 3.75, right? So Control V, 3.75. Okay, so then pumpkin spice, Control C, 3.50. Control V, 3.50. Okay, so then hazelnut, okay, it's not. Control C, 4. So lastly mocha, 4.50. 4.50. Okay, I think it's right. Yeah, that's right. So you can see the name of the coffee rice here and the prices are below it, but this is not in the case. We just want to study. Okay, so okay, the flavor and the price are currently stacked at the top on each other. Yeah, we can see that's price, name, price, name, price, name, price, name, price. They are in the stack view. Okay, so just center with respect to p element. It would be nice if the flavor are left and right. Okay, yeah, you can see they are telling us if the price is on the name is on the left and price is on the right, it could be very easy to view or to understand the menu card, right? So just we should give a class name. So class equal to flavor and I think this is, yeah, we should just add a class to the flavor. So yeah, let's move on next. So under the new flavor, text align left. Okay, so we should focus on the flavor. So that is, we have recently put the class. So we just move this French vanilla to this left. All right, so text align this left. So you can see now this has been put into left, right? Okay, so yeah, that's right. So now next, you want to align the price to the right. Add a class named price to the pre element, so this get turned into right. So yeah, let's get started. Class to price, right? Price. So control enter. Yeah, it works, right? So you, let's style this. So that is dot, sorry, dot pric price. It's bracket open. So text align as center. Yeah, that's right. Just move on next. Wait. Oh, sorry. I just randomly entered the value. It's right. Right. Huh. Yeah, you can see now this name has been left and this text has been left, right. Sorry. Okay. That is kind of what you want, but now it would be nice if the flavor and price are the same line. Yeah, that's the same thought as I know, as I have. You can see these are not at the same line. Yeah, you can see this is in separate line, this is in separate line. So if you make this block element, as I mentioned earlier, block elements take the entire line. So wait, I can make you to understand what is the difference between block and inline. Okay, so all these are block element. So inline is nothing. I can see next upcoming section. Yeah, see, you can see this is a block element because it's a paragraph. Even this is a block. Even this is a block. Even this is an article. So leave it. Yeah, this is the paragraph. Is a block. So everything takes the entire line. You can see the name is just the small. Even the price is just small, but it takes entire line. Here you have space. Here you have space, but it takes entire line because default styling of a paragraph is block. Okay, so just we should make it inline later. Okay, so take up the entire width of the parent element. So to get the same line, you need to apply some styling and the p elements behaves like an inline. Okay, so inline is just a thing that takes only on the space as needed. Okay, to do that, class attribute item, put a class attribute to the article. So we should just put a class coffee. Sorry, item. I think it's right. Yeah, control enter. It's right. Okay. So just we added the article class. So yeah. So okay, I can understand. This is a way of one way of styling. Yeah, this is called. I don't know what's the meaning of this, but it has a name. Okay, this is a type of selector. Okay, there is many type of selectors like pseudo selector, pseudo class selector, like that. So just we go on to select the item and all the paragraph in it to make the display. So you can see this all have a default display as a block, right? So we should change it to inline. Yeah, you can see right now it has been inline, right? So yeah, it's right, but this is one, there is one problem. Yeah, I got it now only. So this is not here. Okay, it should be in right side, right? So to make it like that, we should use inline block. So now we can check, right? Yeah, that's right. So yeah, this is in this right left only, but further it makes me to force, let's force to right. Okay, wait. So that's closer, but the price didn't stay over the right. Yeah, the price is now stay over the right. This is because inline block only takes up the width of their content. Okay, takes only the width of the content, not the entire line. So with property to flavor, price set us to 50%. So make the width of the 50%. Yeah, you can see now it takes it is as a 50%. So the width of the article is now here till here, right? So it's now the text align is left and right. Okay, so yeah. And here too we should have the width. So yeah, I have forgotten to say that. As you can see, now this has the width of 50%, but still it is not as a width of 50%, right? Yeah, I confirmed that thing. So this is 50%, but we should make this as a 50%. So it let us force it to right. So yeah, wait, let with this 50%. Okay, okay, I think it's right, but still it's not going to the line. I don't know why. So let's go on further. They will tell us next upcoming steps. Well, that did not work. Yeah, that's not work because this has already become the next line, right? Styling the P element in line block, placing them to separate line code creates extra space in the right. The first element causing the second one to shift to next line. One way fix this to just less than 50. Okay, can I understand it now? So you can see this is 50%, right? So, but when I look at this is not 50% because this element itself, these two elements itself have some minor size, right? Okay, so to avoid this, just let's make any one two, let's see 5. Yeah, you can see that when I put 20, it goes further. 30, it goes further. 40, it goes still in, but when I put 50, it comes to new line. So to avoid this, just put 49. Yeah, now we can see that both is on same line, right? So yeah, that's the correct code, right? So yeah, sorry for that. So yeah, telling it's an automated, right? So we get the correct output, but still they tell us to do in the flavor class, right? So yeah, now I think it's right. So, oh my god, still. Oh yeah. They are telling to do 49 for both. Yeah, that's right. But still, there is a little movement in here, right? You can see it. That work, but there is a still little space on the right. Yeah. As I mentioned, there is a little space here. Yeah, they too noticed it. You could be keep trying various percentage on the widths. Instead, use the backspace key on the keyboard to move the P element with the class price next to the P element, the class favor, so that the same line in the editor. Make sure there is no space between them. What is saying? I can't understand it. Let's read again. You could keep trying various percentage for goods instant. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, 49, 50, like that. They try to use backspaces. So where try, I think this not give any difference. This not make any sense, right? So what they are telling is to move P element with the class price, next to the P element with the class flavor, so that they are in same line editor. Make sure there is no space between them. Okay. I think they are telling us to remove the spaces here. Let's try it. Yeah. That's right. We should remove the spaces so we can add some stylings later. Oh my god, it's too slow. Why the internet is too slow? Yeah, it loads. Now go ahead and change the post flavor and price class widths to 50% again. Yeah, we have removed that's one space, right? You can note it, right? So now let's remove it. Sorry, let's again put this into 50-50. So yeah, that's both as an edge of the line. So yeah, I know that it's not pretty good when we look at this way. So but still later we use padding, margin like that stuff. So it makes little good to read. Okay, let's move on. Now that you know it works, you can change the remaining article P element to match the first set. Start by adding class item to the other article. Okay, what you're just saying is I can't understand even. It's work, but we want to put in remaining RTLP element to match the first set. Start adding the class item to the other article. Okay, you're telling is we have added class, right? Yeah, you can see we have added a article, a class item. So the same wise we should add here. So class item. Okay, so yeah, you can see the next line is also being correct, same line. Yeah, and lastly, right. I think it's right. Yeah, you can see everything is in the same line. So next is styling this P element. Just changing in the P element. Next position the P element to be in the same line with no space between them. Okay, they are telling us to remove this extra space. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, yeah. Let's remove the spaces. So yeah, it's doing right. Okay, step 44. To complete the styling, add the applicable class name, flavor and price to all the remaining P elements. Okay, so we should add the styling, right? Doesn't add the styling right now, so we can add the styling to the P element. So add class name, flavor and the price to all remaining P elements. So CLA, wait a second, CLA class, oh CLA SS class equal to flavor. Yeah, that's worked. And let's copy this first class, control C, and paste in the first paragraph of next article, second paragraph of next article, and the last. Okay, yeah, that's pretty well. Now let's add this another class way right here. Okay, so let's add a class equal to flavor, price. Yeah, that's right. So let's copy it, control C, then paste it right here. Okay, space and control V. And in the next one, here, space, control V, and in the last here, okay, space, control V. Okay, so everything is aligned, same as this first line. Okay, so yeah, let's move on. Okay, I don't know why it's loads laggy. So if you make the width of the page previous preview smaller, you can notice that the same point some of the text have left strapping around the next line. This is because width of the P element on the left side can take only 50% of the space. Let's check that. Yeah, I can clearly view, right? It takes only 50%, so it's just moving around. Okay, let's cross this. Okay, so since you have prices on the right significantly fewer character, change the flavor class width to 75% and the price width to 25%. So since we have more, let's take to 75%. Flavor is 75. Yeah, and this as 25. Yep. So yeah, doesn't make any difference, but when we do menu card, it makes a difference, right? Okay. So yeah, we will be come back to setting the menu in few steps, but for now, go ahead and add a second section below the first displaying the dessert offered by the cafe. Okay. So we have completed coffee. Let's go to another section that is for desserts. Okay, let's control enter. Yeah, that's right. Let's submit and go to the next challenge. Okay, so add a h2 element to the new section in the desserts. Okay, so we should add an h2 desserts. Okay, So you can see, okay. Uh, Sorry, that's just a timer of 25 minutes. So it's time. So today task has been over, but still I think we can round off this step to 50, right? So just 3 more steps. Okay, I'm going to complete at least a 50 today. That's my target. Add an empty article under the desserts and then give a class name item, right? Okay, I can understand it. So I should add an article and give a class equal to items, right? As previous. Article, so control enter. Okay, yeah, so let's move on next. So 49 next to 2p element inside your article element, that the first one text should be donut, so here donut, and second text is 1.5. Put both in the same line, making sure there is no space between them, right? I understand it. Copy that. So first p element should have donut. Oh my god, spelling mistake. Donut, right? Okay. Then the second p element without space is 1.50. Let's close it. So let's check, control enter. I think it's right. Okay, yeah, that's sonic boom. Okay, for two paragraph element, you just added an add desert as value of the first p element and class attribute and value of price second p element. So add CLASS class ESSERTS deserts, and here add CLASS class as price. Okay, so yeah, so you can see the price has been same, but still this is not changed. You can try later. So I think it's right. Sorry, the p should have one p element with a desert. Oh yeah, spelling mistake, desert. Okay, I think right. Yeah, we have completed this. So for now, we are completed till step 50. So let's go solve the next problems and the upcoming sections or upcoming videos. So until then, if you like the video, just like it. If you support me a lot, just subscribe it and follow along with me. Let's learn together. And yeah, happy coding, enjoy coding. Let's become till our success. Let's become a full stack developer till we become a full stack developer. Just work hard in consistent way.